Hello and welcome to the assessment part of this module. We're going to quickly take the Big 5 assessment. I want to give you some background there in regards to what this assessment is. It's really a tool that you will often see in employment settings or interview settings as part of the process of getting hired for a new position. It can be something that an employer asks you to take, being the Big 5 test. Really, they may have an idea of what they want the new hire for this particular position to be like, personality-wise. And so this test really can help them decide if this person's going to be a good fit for the work that we see this position doing, or whether they would be a poor fit. So maybe a sales job is looking for a really high extroverted score. Where somebody scores really low on that might be a red flag for an employer. So really, this Big 5 test can change. All personality tests can change depending on the mindset you're taking it in. So I took the Big 5 test in regards to thinking about my life at home, kind of that sphere. And I don't operate tremendously different at work than I do at home, but in some of the areas, I would probably score differently. I'd probably score a little bit higher in extroversion in work than I would at home in life. I would probably score a little bit higher in conscientiousness at work than I do at home. I'd probably score a little bit lower in neuroticism at work than I do at home. So there are different ways that this can skew. When you take this test, I want you to think about it from the work setting. When you're answering these questions, think about them from a work situation. Just so you know, as you continue to get to know me a little bit better, when I took this test, thinking about it from a life standpoint, my openness to new ideas was a 75%. My conscientiousness was a 31%. My extroversion was a 56%. My agreeableness was a 62.5%, and my neuroticism, how much I wanted things done a certain way, was right at 50%. So some things I'm really dead set on doing a certain way, and some things I'm pretty laid back with. So that's just kind of a little taste into my window. After we take the Big 5 test, we're going to look at a video kind of explaining it a little bit more, and then we'll have a discussion post from there. So I hope everyone enjoys taking this and learning a little bit more about yourself through the process. Remember, on all personality tests, they're not the end-all be-all. It's not a crystal ball that can tell you everything about yourself, but maybe give you some more tools in your tool belt for understanding yourself a little better. So enjoy the assessment, and we'll see you on the other side.